Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a home oxygen machine. First, find a good spot for your oxygen concentrator, keeping it at least 6 inches from walls for proper airflow. Make sure the air filter is clean and in place. If you use a humidifier, fill it with distilled water and attach it. Finally, plug your machine directly into a grounded wall outlet, never using an extension cord, to ensure safe operation. Once your machine is set up, turn on the power switch. Give it a few minutes to warm up and reach its optimal performance. Next, adjust the oxygen flow rate to the exact liters per minute your doctor prescribed. Then, securely attach your nasal cannula or oxygen mask to the oxygen outlet. You can confirm the oxygen is flowing by feeling the air or watching for bubbles in your humidifier bottle. Safety is paramount when using home oxygen. Always keep your machine away from any open flames, sparks, or heat sources. Regularly clean the air filter, typically once a week, using mild soap and water, and ensure it's completely dry before reinserting. Check your tubing and nasal cannula for any kinks or damage, replacing them as necessary. It's also wise to have a backup plan for power outages. Knowing when to contact your doctor is crucial. If you notice an increase in shortness of breath, or if your oxygen saturation levels change significantly, reach out to your healthcare provider right away. Also, if you experience persistent headaches, unusual fatigue, or any skin irritation from your nasal cannula or mask, it's important to discuss these symptoms with your doctor for guidance and adjustments to your therapy.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.